Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 8th, 2014. I seem to spend a large portion of my life staring at charts from the Trade Navigator software, and I'm showing them to you here. We're starting with our weekly bond market chart, and you can see bonds have been in a pretty much a sideways pattern for more than a couple months now. It does sort of have a bullish bias to it. I mean, they've had a bullish bias ever since they made this higher double bottom here. Kind of leaning to the upside, but they haven't really shown any reason to blow out here. Now they have held the middle resist support here is a 132.30 at the middle moving average. They seem to be holding that and trying to get up here to the 133.28 area. And they could. The old high here is 134.16. They certainly could go up there and blow right through it. They just haven't shown any indication that they want to. By the same token, we've got support down here around 131.28. They could turn back down to that, and all of this would just be in the middle of this same sideways pattern they've been in for quite some time now. They still look like they want to go to the upside. The longer they drift sideways without going up, the more you got to worry about them going back down to test the lows from last year. But for now, they just don't seem to be in a big hurry to do anything. Apparently, they're waiting for something wonderful to stimulate them. Now, in stocks, we have an interesting situation, at least it's interesting to me. The media keeps talking about what's wrong with stocks. Oh my, big sell-off. Well, if you look at it on a weekly basis, what have they done? Have they made a lower swing low? No. Do we have a lower swing high? No. All they've done is come down to this lower moving average here. That lower moving average is 1837. The previous swing low here is 1823, and they basically have come down midway in between those two and seem to be trying to work their way back up. Now, I'm not going to tell you that they can't break down from here, because they can. Certainly this long-term bullish pattern is going to break at some point. But for now, we don't have any indication that it's broken, and in fact, they seem to be holding that support and looking like maybe they want to go try to move up to the upper moving average there, which is around 1858. I'm sorry, that's not true. It's the middle moving average, the green line here. That's actually where 1858 is, and the upper moving average is 1879. I think both of those things are very possible, and I'm still sort of leaning to the bullish side. I mean, again, until you make a lower swing low or a lower swing high on a weekly chart, why would you not be bullish? So that's what we've got for you today. I sure hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.